Are you thinking of remodeling your home? Here are 3 quick tips to keep in mind before you get your job started. Tip number 1, plan ahead. Doing some homework ahead of time, like researching different products and understanding different design styles, can help prevent delays later. It'll help you have better conversations with remodelers and designers because you'll have a general understanding and they'll be able to guide you through the specific and intricate details of your project. Tip number 2, keep the big picture in mind. Long-term maintenance, energy loss, and repair expenses can add up quickly. Make sure you include them in your calculations when comparing prices. Tip number 3, visit a job site. When evaluating remodelers, make sure you visit their current job sites. The best remodelers maintain clean and organized work sites, take precautionary measures to ensure safety, and know how to keep a low profile in a neighborhood. If you have any questions or need additional tips, feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to help with as much as we can.